Uy. So, hello guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel! So today, part 2 na po. Part 2 na po yun ko. Napunta na ako sa island ng Brookhaven. Pero, wala pa ako ng Gucci. Kaya kukuha na ako.
Your parents didn't. Oh,
So,
this is my house.
So, pipili ko itong truck. Off-road truck. I don't know why do I have a baby?
I want to be yes, I'm more bigger in the door.
So anyways, we're with Davin. Remember Davin from our part 1? Yeah, he's here. But I don't know where is he. So let's call him.
So hello. Hello.
Oh, hello Davin.
Oh hello.
So where are you exactly?
In my home.
In your home? Okay, I'll be meeting at your home, okay?
Okay, my block is okay, it's 30.
It's 30?
Yep.
13, right? Okay, we're coming to block 13, okay? Beep, beep, beep. So guys, my brother said he's on block 13. So we're gonna turn right. Why there's a police car and a girl? Okay, so where is he? There he is. Hey bro,
What?
I'm here. And also we're recording part 2.
So give her some money. The poor girl. Give her some money. I'm going to give her. I give her $2,000. It's crying.
Wait guys.
Finances good. Another $2,000.
Chat. Load chat. Load. Take.
Okay. Okay.
Give.
Give her.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna start my video. So, hello guys, welcome to my gaming channel. Kasama natin si Kuya Gab. The number from part 1 is still already in there. So, her house is like this. I don't know what it's called, but mine is okay.
Where is roommate?
Bro, why you live your car in my house?
Can you please park it at my house?
Okay. Okay, that one just came a crazy girl. Ah, my daughter is so weird.
Guys, where is he? Oh, it's hello. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna continue.
First, I'm gonna go. First, let's shower. So let's see what we couple okay, so let's just
Look. Rita's chilling on the sofa.
what the baby Cube, anak ko na ba yan? Cube, anak ko na ba yan?
Okay.
So you would spend, okay.
Okay.
Okay. It's a beautiful morning. So my job is
So my job is wrong one.
just joking. My job is ice cream.
My job is principal.
Principal?
Joke lang, YouTuber.
Gusto ko ng YouTube. I'm a YouTuber too.
Okay.
Ay putik! Wala pa ako nito.
Okay. I'll eat the pizza. so
Guys,
I get the.
You know what my
Did
secret
I
is?
just get yeeted? Did I just get yeeted?
Like, where's your kid?
It's right. Wait. Where is it? I think it's here.
Oh,
Yeah,
I think.
it's here.
Huh? Oh, yeah, he's there. Oh, I can be him.
Okay.
I'm gonna be him.
Guys, bye-bye. Yun lang yung part 2.
And by 3.